So now let's style it so that it look nice. So click over and inspect. Realize that there are sidebar as a class of YT-sidebar. Click on this one. Then over here, we'll give it a background color of ampersand FFF. Then also weight to be 15%. Height to be 100 VH. Position to be face. Overflow Y to be auto. So now copy everything from here. Go to style.css. Then over here, just paste it here. Remove this one from here. Okay. Don't forget to save it. So now the next thing I want us to work on is the image. So realize that the image is inside the A tag. Okay, so now click on this one, click on the plus icon. Over here, give it a weight of 20 ps. The margin dash right to be 20 ps. Okay. So copy this one from here. Over here will be .yt-sidebar, then A, then the image, then paste it here. So let's remove this one from here. Okay, so now refresh it. So now let's work on this one. The A tag. So before we work on it, I want the element inside the A tag to be a flex. So over here, go to your index.html. Over here, just attach d.flex to it. So copy this one. Then paste it here again. Paste it here. Over here to the same thing. Don't forget to save it. So now go to your browser, just refresh it. Cool. So click on it. Go to inspect style. Click on this one again. So over here, we'll give it a margin dash bottom to be 10 ps. Then weight to be 100%. Then padding to be 10 ps. Then flex dash wrap to be wrap. Then padding dash top to be 15 ps. So copy everything from here. Go to your VS Code. Go to style.css. Over here, just paste it here. Remove this one from here. So this one be .yt-sidebar in space. So when the user hover on it, I want a background color on it, and also the body, I want to give it a background color of ampersand F3, F4, F2, then semicolon. That's gray. And also when we hover on it, I want a background color on it. So copy this one, then over here dot paste it here, then colon over, give it a background ampersand ddd. So now go to your browser, just refresh it. So as you can see over here, everything is working nice. Okay, but click here in inspect and let me show you something. I want us to change this one, the default scroll bar. I want us to style it so that it look nice. So over here it will be colon WebKit dash scroll bar. Over here we'll give it a weight to be 6 ps, and also colon dash WebKit dash scroll bar dash track. I want to give it a background color of transparent. So this one be dash. Then also we have colon dash WebKit dash scroll bar dash thumb. This one over here, we'll give it a background to be ampersand BBB, then border dash radius to be 6 ps. Okay, so now refresh it, click here and inspect. As you can see over here. Okay, so the next thing that I want us to work on, I want us to attach an underline to it, that's HR. So now go to your browser, go to index.html. Copy this one. Before that, this one be HR. Okay, so now go to your browser. Just refresh it. Okay, so now this is what we have. So now let's style it so that it look nice. So over here, click here and inspect. Over here, give it a border to be 0. Click here and let's toggle to right so that we'll be able to see it. Then over here to give it a height of 1 ps. Border background color to ampersand CCC, and weight to be 100%. Okay, so copy this one from here. So this one be HR, then paste it here. So now go to your browser, just refresh it. Okay. So now let's copy this one and duplicate it. So index. So copy this one from here and paste it here. Okay. Then refresh it. Okay, cool. So we can change the style. So this one over here will be history, and this one will be history, and this one will be history, and we have playlist. So this one playlist. Okay, and this one be playlist. Okay, so let's remove some stuff from here, we don't need it. So let's move these two. Go to your browser, just refresh it. Okay, so everything is looking nice. So see you in the next video.